Assalamualaikum guys, we are at the Hartford University, International University stall. They are doing some amazing programs. So they have a program in PhD in Inter-Religious Studies, Master of Arts in International Peace Building, and they are the only university in US who are doing the course on Islamic Chaplaincy.
We were the first, not the only.
Oh, you are the first. Okay, perfect. So let's talk to Khalia and ask her that what she's doing and why they are doing it. Hi.
Yes, hi. It's a pleasure to have you here and to speak with your followers.
Perfect. So tell me what you're doing, what programs you are offering, how one can apply. Do you accept international students, and you have any financial aid available?
Absolutely. We're a graduate school in mostly theological education and peace studies, and we have our different programs here. I don't know if that's on screen, but there you go. And we offer different master's degree. We now have a dual master's in interreligious studies and chaplaincy if students are interested in being spiritual caregivers and need a 72 credit degree. So that's one of them. But you pointed out that there was a PhD, there's a master's in international peace building. We now have eco-spirituality, a certificate for that. So we're always growing and adding new programs. But it is theological and peace studies. We do accept international students, and we do offer PhD. Excuse me, we do offer financial aid is what I meant to say. Yeah.
Do you have a website where they can go and apply?
Yes, it's www.hartfordinternational.edu.
Perfect. And what is the deadline to apply? Is it rolling deadline or year-wise?
That's a great question. So a lot of international students need to do the visa paperwork, so it's really important that we get your application in early. So if you're interested in coming for fall 23, you would want to write admissions@hartfordinternational.edu to ask if we still have availability and could process your visa. But I just recommend that you try and do your application as soon as possible. It would actually probably be better right now for fall 24, but we'd still consider you for fall 23. But if you need a visa, if you need to be sponsored, we do F1 visas. We're looking into J1 as well. So we'll do what we can to get you, and we certainly do sponsor students for our programs. And actually, we have a student here who's just graduated.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. How are you? What's your name?
Shazana.
So what you graduated with?
I graduated with a Master's of Interreligious Studies
How was your
and
experience?
Chaplaincy program. Wonderful. I love this.
Was this?
I call it a nest of community.
You were off-campus students or online or on-campus?
I've taken on-campus classes, but I'm on off-campus.
Okay.
I live in Northern Virginia.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Khalia. Thank you very much.
Such a
Bye-bye.
pleasure. Thank you.